At that point, I thought that it would be important for me to approve this, considering it was a dishwasher that was backing up into the house, right? Like from the beginning, like how were you even made aware of a maintenance issue, right? So when you send an email to the owner, I always go back to the very beginning and say, hey, Mr. Owner, we received a maintenance request from your tenant in regard to your hot water heater or in regard to your dishwasher. Then I tell them what we did.